Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices rose, recovering from a sharp slide earlier this week, as data showed relatively strong US demand, and as investors assess the stability of a ceasefire between Iran and Israel. US stocks took a breather, pausing a two-day rally as the tenuous Israel-Iran ceasefire continued to hold, and investors pored over a second day of congressional testimony from Fed Chair Jerome Powell. Tech shares lifted the Nasdaq. Coinbase global stock extended its rally, setting a fresh 52-week high and coming within range of its record closing price from November 2021, as the broader digital asset industry followed Bitcoin's lead.
The euro-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The stochastic indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The sterling-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.